Welcome back to my channel, Kenny Love. So we are in my kitchen again, of course. You know, this is my favorite place. I like to cook. I just love my kitchen. This was one of my favorite places of the house. And I love my living room area too, because you know, just the girl that's gotta chill. But we are making low carb pizza from just items out of the fridge. It's gonna be a veggie pizza. So I'm just home here thinking, hey, I want a pizza. I'm not gonna buy a pizza because it's probably gonna have too many calories. And you know, when I get a pizza, I want cheesy bread, I want wings, I want all these other little additives, because you know, they always have like this little deals type of thing. So anyway, I'll just use what I have at home to make a pizza. So here are the results.
Then my AirPod dropped right out. Oh Lord, I'm always doing fool.
So here are some of the stuff that I have. I have baby spinach. I have cheese. I have mozzarella cheese. I have some mushrooms. Ooh. I have barbecue sauce. I have tomato. I have sweet pepper. And I also have marinara sauce. Ooh. This is gonna actually be my base. So this is a wrap. Just a regular wrap. I'm gonna use for my base because I don't have pizza crust, because of course I just decided to do it. So we'll let you know how it works out. Follow step by step.
The first thing I would do, I would use the canola oil pan spray just to spray the pan, give it a nice layer so that we have no sticking. Now I'm going to grab my tortilla wrap. This tortilla wrap is like a smaller size and it is the whole grain, so it's not the full size one. I'm going to place it on my pan nicely because I'm only going to have two because I'm trying to be slim, you know that. Now I'm going to use my marinara sauce. I'm going to evenly distribute it over my wraps. You see how I'm evenly distributing it? I don't like a lot of marinara, so I just decided to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add some spinach. So I'm going to chop up the spinach. Ooh, look at me. Almost cut my fingers. Now I'm going to chop up my mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Mushrooms. Now I'm going to add my sweet pepper. Sweet pepper, peppers. I normally keep my sweet peppers in the freezer. So this sweet pepper is actually frozen. So look at me cut this sweet pepper. Now I'm going to add my onions. I don't like a lot of onions, so I will only be using a quarter of an onion. Thank you. Using a sharp knife, I would cut up my tomato. Ooh. My tomato is also frozen, so I have to use a sharper knife. Now I'm going to add all of my veggies. Gonna evenly distribute them over the pizza. I'm adding my spinach, I'm adding my tomatoes, I'm adding my mushrooms, I'm adding a little bit of onions. Last but not least, my favorite thing in the whole wide world, cheese! Yeah, I'm adding my cheese last because my cheese is gonna have to keep everything intact. Now I'm gonna add some barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce is just to add a little bit of flavor, to my pizza. Seeing that it's a veggie pizza, I add some barbecue sauce. So it's optional if you want to add barbecue sauce. Some people would probably want to use teriyaki sauce. Look at that. Pizza. Now I'm going to set my oven to 350 degrees. This is the end result of 20 minutes in the oven. Woo.
Hey guys, I have a special guest, Crystal.
Hi.
So she's gonna be trying the pizza.
Yes, looks delicious, right?
Mmm.
Yum.
Let's go, Crystal. Let's go in.
Let's try. Guys, this is really, really good. It's tasty.
Surprising myself. So good.
Kendra did a very good job, guys.
No meat.
Veggie pizza. Guys, watch the video, like and subscribe.
And give me a thumbs up. For more videos like this.
Yes. Well, guys, I will see you guys later. Hopefully, I'll be featured in the next one. Bye.